Welcome back to Dr. Rose Helps You here. I'm Stephanie Rose and I'm an audiologist. Today I wanted to talk about moisture management. We have the hot summer months coming up and it's going to be so important to keep your hearing aids extra dry so that they can sound their best and run for the longest amount of time possible. So, the first option we have is pretty common and it's also pretty affordable. This is what we call a drying cup or a desiccant. So they come with fun little things on them. They come in multiple sizes. This is a larger one. You can also get them to be more small and compact for travel. But either way, they're going to come with a desiccant disc. So this little disc has silica beads in it. They absorb moisture. It is a passive system, so eventually those beads, they start off orange, but they're going to turn green once they're full of moisture. You do want to take them out of the package, though, before you use them so that they can do their job. There's a little screen on one side. You'll want to make sure the screen is facing up in the jar, and then the hearing aids are going to go on top of the screen, and then you want to make sure the lid is the lid is tightened, nice and tight. That way it can take the moisture out of the hearing aids and deposit that moisture into the beads. The second option would be a more active drying system. So this is the Perfect Dry Luxe. It is a air generated drying chamber inside there. Some of them come with fancy mirrors and UVC lights to help kill bacteria. However, either one of these is going to be good for light to moderate moisture management. If you have more severe moisture management, then definitely want to go with a more active system like this Dry Luxe here. Most of the hearing aids these days are rechargeable, so there's no battery door to open, because with all of these systems, you want to make sure the battery door is open when you place it into either the jar or into the chamber so that it can really get inside of that battery compartment and help dry it. So when you have a rechargeable hearing aid, you can still use either one of these systems. You just want to make sure you're powering it down before you place it inside so that it's not singing like a bird while it's in there. And then we also have some chargers come with lids. So they are contained in terms of the air inside if you close the lid on a charger that has that. And in that case, you can buy these really tiny little baby discs and put those into the charger with it. Now, most of these do not have a renewable instruction that comes with them. So when these beads turn white, they are toss. So you'll want to get a new one maybe once a month or every 2 months, depending on how humid of a place that you're in or visiting. But with this bigger disc one that have the big beads, those will have instructions on the jar to let you know if it is refreshable. So you want to be very careful. Don't put your hearing aids in the microwave, or it will be 4th of July in the kitchen. You'll just want to make sure you follow those instructions and make sure to check your beads at least once a month for their coloring. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.